piston yet. Many people in the machine tool industry use the term spindle runout. Can you explain why this term does not describe spindle performance?
Sure. It is really true that throughout the world, the spindle runout term is deeply embedded. And to overcome that culture, the father to son, coming down from the Schlesinger book, is really very difficult. But the technical reason is that the runout of the shiny surface on the spindle has nothing to do with the function, nothing whatsoever. If you exaggerate the notion of grinding that surface in place, you will create a surface that's not round, that exactly compensates for the air motions within the axis of rotation. So the runout can be zero with a very bad spindle. Conversely, you can have that surface can be damaged, it can be eccentric, it can be, and this runout can be enormous with a perfect spindle. So if it is so that the runout can be bad for a perfect spindle, or the runout can be zero for a bad spindle, that's the proof that it has no meaning. But it's still a vital question today